Hello, everyone. Today's topic focuses on COVID 19. We have just come from the COVID 19 pandemic in 2019 and 2020. During that time, there were a lot of parameters to consider, starting from the number of patients who were hospitalized, deceased, or recovered to the number of states in India that were affected or afflicted by COVID. I have created a COVID 19 dashboard that mirrors the CDC Centers for Disease and Control guidelines for creating a COVID 19 app. In my COVID 19 app, the title of my app is COVID 19 Outbreak Findings. This is the premise of my entire app. And more specifically, I am focused on the COVID 19 findings for India. So, as you can see from my dashboard, 8,472 cumulative test cases were there across India. That means that there were 8,472 cases of COVID 19 in India across all the different 52 states. 8,301 validated instances of COVID 19. That means out of the 8,472, which were suspected to have COVID, 8,301 actually showed COVID. And out of the 8,301, 139 were those who recovered from COVID during the years 2019 and 2020. There were 30 deaths throughout India due to the COVID 19 pandemic. And there was only one person in India who was able to move due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So as you can see, all the colors of these banners just are based on my HTML skills, where I've used HTML in order to be able to create different colors. So blue for cumulative test cases across India, green for validated instances of COVID-19, red for recuperated instances of COVID-19, yellow for the number of deaths due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and one for the number of people who moved due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is in orange. And I have created a comprehensive bar chart of all the countries across the world, like US, Italy, Spain, France, United Kingdom, Iran, Belgium, China, Germany, Netherlands, Brazil, and our very own India. And I have managed to create a scale with x-axis being country slash region and y-axis denoting the number of deaths. So the number of deaths according to a country is displayed through this bar chart. As we can see, the number of deaths in United States is the highest in the COVID-19 pandemic, with Italy serving as the second highest. Remember during 2020 how Italy's proportion of 65-year-olds and above were drastically affected with COVID-19? This dashboard, which I've created, explains that. And if you can see, I have created a drop down menu with all the different states in India: Maharashtra, Delhi, Kerala, Telangana, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. All of these data will display accordingly as I select the dropdown. Also, in my COVID-19 app, I have created the number of cases in different states, along with the states and the number of patients. So the states Kerala, Telangana, Haryana, Ladakh, Kashmir, all of those versus Assam, Mizoram, Bihar, it's actually found that the maximum number of COVID-19 cases occurred in Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh, as you can see based on this line chart above. If you can see, as I'm moving my screen interactively, This is showing the number of patients afflicted and the state in which that patient is afflicted in India. Apart from this, I have all the different countries across the world and the respective cases where COVID was afflicted. And I also have recovered, hospitalized, and deceased as the three main criteria for my app. Thank you for taking the time to view my app for COVID-19 as recommended by the CDC. Fellow developers, we'll be designing many more Dash apps in the coming month for our semester and in our career. So I really enjoy you taking the time to listen to me. Thank you.